Alright guys, welcome back. So today's adventure, just flew up to West Sail. So I got the cruiser here, flew into West Sail. They got a couple of Nanchangs doing warbird flights. So we'll go and check that out. So I flew up in the cruiser, 15-minute flight from home. I wanted to get some photos or watch these guys in the Nanchang. We'll go and have a look. Oh, warbird. They're offering flights. It's 2 aircraft, you can chase each other around. Big old radio.
Stuff.
Yeah, no.
And you can see it's all written in Chinese. And that's actually what you're looking at there is where the instructor would normally sit.
Okay. Yeah.
So you can see it's got a full set of controls. So this is here.
Yep.
4-point notes. Okay.
Yep.
So I'll show you how to adjust that. World War II headset here with 2022 technology.
Yep.
So see that little button there?
Yes.
That's noise cancelling. Okay.
Okay.
So when we start up, I'll tell you to press that button. It'll take away most of the noise. All right. Full set of controls. I'll show you where to put your feet. This tells us how high we are. So when you see 3,000, that's the little hand on the 3 is 3,000 feet. Okay.
Yep.
When you see 160 here, that's 160 knots. So double it for kilometres an hour. Okay.
Yep.
Engine controls here. If you need to open this on the ground, you just lift that like so.
Okay. Yes.
And that unlocks. Unlocks the whole thing. Okay.
Yep.
Cool. Like I said, Jason, your mission. So if you're feeling a bit green, you tell me.
Yep.
And I'll do something about it, okay?
Yep.
If you're still feeling green, got chicken bags there,
thank
okay?
you, thank you.
All right, cool.
Yep. You never know what's going on.
You never know.
You never know.
Exactly. All right.
Never know.
So, but you're the boss, okay?
Yep.
All right, you got any questions?
Not really. Just get it happening.
Yeah, exactly. All right, let me fire up this camera here. There we go. So, if you come towards me a bit, swing your right leg over and put it straight on the seat.
Yeah.
That's it. Left leg on the seat, hold on to here, that's it.
Good, down.
Feet down, back side of the seat.
Alright guys, thanks for watching that one. Back at home, obviously, just got back. Great time up there at West Sail. Saw the guys flying the Nanchangs around and took my first passenger. Completely unknown to me, young 14-year-old girl was there with her mum and her brothers. Just walked over and said, would you like to go for a quick circuit? Which is, I can understand from the mum's perspective, like, who are you? It's good having a YouTube channel you can show them and Facebook page and that sort of thing. So anyway, I took her for a quick circuit. Mum was more panicked than the daughter, I think, so just introduced someone else to aviation, which was really cool actually. Flew back with a mate, low level, bit of sprinkling of rain on the way back. Back in the hangar, we'll do it all again. Thanks for watching.